Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide add to cart button when product price is zero. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page. You see add to cart button and our price is zero. So we are going to hide add to cart button. Now go to shop page. Also you see add to cart button. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert, header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open, scroll down, you can add title it, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now go to product page, refresh the page. Now you see add to cart button hide. Go to shop page. Now you see product price 0. Refresh the page. Now you see add to cart button hide here also. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.